this example, we're being asked to solve for the missing variables. We have two different 2x2 matrices right here that are said to be equal. So we actually have a matrix equation. We have that this matrix equals that matrix. And we must know the only way that that can be true is if this entry here is equal to its corresponding entry there. So I can just go ahead and set up a very basic equation that sets this first entry here in the first row, first column of this matrix equal to the entry in the first row, first column of that matrix. And I will have 2x plus 1 equals 9. And I can go ahead and solve that equation. It's just a linear equation in 2 steps I can solve. Subtract 1 on both sides, I'll have 2x is equal to 8. And then go ahead and divide by 2, and I will have that x is equal to 4. So I have found one of those variables. Same thing, I can find y by setting this entry equal to its corresponding entry over here. So I have 2y minus 3 is equal to 5. Going ahead and adding 3 to both sides, I'll have 2y is equal to 8 as well. And again, dividing by 2, I'll have that y is equal to 4. This entry is already equal to this entry. There's no variable there. Of course, it has to be equal for it to be true. And finally, I need to set this entry equal to that entry to figure out what z is. So I say 3z equals 36. And I can solve that equation in one step, dividing both sides by 3. I'll see that z is equal to 12. And I found the missing values of all the missing variables by just setting the corresponding entries equal to 1.